Happiness, adventure, love, tranquility, excitement, beauty, classy, all were gathered in one experience. It was a dream to explore the mountains. This dream came true with different flavors. It was a bit adventurous in the first half of our journey. Yeah, the most precious things are hard to discover. The miracle at the end of the hard journey made us delight. The sound and the power of pounding water energized us. We are all naturally seekers of wonders. The world's wonder is all around us. The adventurous flavor of our journey next took us to the most beautiful loves on earth. The soothing environment, dew rain, fragrance of enchanting fresh flowers, the mist, trees which spread out high, greenery, tea estates, and cold wind have added a uniqueness to this wonderful journey.